Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today we're going to be talking about Luna Classic and UST. If you did not pay attention to the chart in the past 24 hours, we did have a strong rally up, but a lot of people decided to take profit, and it makes sense because the whole market is in a bear market. But keep in mind, this actually helped us get back into the green. Also, there are some big exchanges that might be actually applying the proposal of every transaction to have a tax of 1% on Luna Classic. Before we get into it, if you're here for the first time, you do want to stay up to date with everything to do with Luna, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While there, slap a like on the video. It is completely free to do so. It will just help the YouTube algorithm push the video out to more people. More people see the incredible side of Luna, they decide to get into it, it starts spiking up, and all of us make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Other than that, let's get straight into it. So to begin with today's video, before we look at the chart, I want to show you guys something really interesting which might make a lot of you guys extremely happy. So you guys know CoinEx, which is one of the trading platforms. On that trading platform, Luna Classic is the second most searched crypto. Now Bitcoin is third and Baby Doge is first. Now what's really interesting about this, yes, Baby Doge is first, but Luna Classic, which has been delisted from quite a bit of exchanges, is slowly get backing onto the track as they see that there is a lot of people in the community that obviously want Luna Classic to keep pumping. But it's really great to see that there is also a lot of people in the community that are also trading it, and a lot more people are paying closer attention to. Another thing which is really interesting is, if you guys have not been paying attention, TERRA investors are not giving up on Luna Classic, but Luna Classic opportunities keep hammering their efforts. Now what they're trying to say with this article, which I found really interesting, so there's a lot of people I know personally on Twitter. I've been following a couple of people who are trying really hard to try to burn the Luna Classic supply, and they have been trying extremely hard, but at the same time the supply keeps going up slowly, which makes it extremely hard to actually bring it down. And at the same time, there are a lot of people who are trying to make it even better. The tremendous growth in these tokens come out on the heels of concentrated campaign efforts by the community to burn a huge portion of Luna Classic 6.5 trillion circulating supply. Now this design, it's obviously over time. If Binance or Coinbase or anything that is huge is not going to walk into this, it will be extremely hard for the community to bring the price to its original point or even back to 1 cent. Personally, I do see it happening because there are so many people trying to support this, but we need some big exchanges such as Binance or Coinbase to come into this. And there are some good news when we do talk about that. Before I show you the good news, I want to show you guys this. So the chart, since the big dip we had around here and actually put the super trend back into a downtrend, you can see we went into a consolidation period. Just about 24 hours, we actually had a very strong spike up, and it was actually hit by this resistance, which was close to 14, and then it did spike down. But right now we are consolidating around the same zone. But what is really good about this spike that happened is now the overall trend has turned into the green, which is really good because over time this could mean that this could go extremely explosive, and the trading volume has dropped a little bit, we can say it there. But on the RSI line, we're sitting in the dead middle. So again, as I mentioned, this could go extremely explosive, going ahead and breaking all the resistance. The big factor that is actually holding down the price is obviously the major altcoins such as Bitcoin, Ethereum. They're just not letting Luna Classic go explosive. There are a lot of proposals which are going through. It's actually helping Luna Classic significantly, but if the whole market is not doing green, then obviously it will be much harder for Luna Classic to keep climbing. But something else which is really interesting is TERRA 2.0 is up about 1%, which is not crazy, but what is really crazy is the trading volume is starting to grow back up as people see that the price is starting to start and consolidate around $2. They want to see more pump. That's why they're putting more money into it. And on the other hand, UST is up 40% today, and the trading volume has jumped significantly by going up by 90%. So this is a huge manipulation that is happening to the UST market. That's why I keep saying, if you are going to be trading UST, be extremely careful, because if you are not cautious, your leverage trades could break out very quickly and you can end up losing a lot of money in a very short period of time. That's obviously due to a lot of whales that are completely manipulating the price, and the price is just having significant up and downs in the last 7 days, which is good for the people who get in at the right time, but for the people who get in at the wrong time, that could actually make you lose a lot of money. So just be very cautious. But I personally see that the whole community is supporting UST so strong. I do see the price climbing back up at least to 50 cents, which would be a short call, but if we do make it back to $1, that would be a stretch, just due to the fact that the circulating supply is extremely high and it will be very hard to get the market cap up to there. On the other hand, Luna Classic is doing also very well. I mean, UST and Luna Classic do go parallel, so if one's doing well, the other one is obviously consistently going to do well, but if one of them does decide to fall, the other one will also have a significant fall. Now, another thing which a lot of you guys are waiting for is KuCoin CEO slams the involved rumors citing no plan to hold the withdrawals. So a lot of people went on to say that KuCoin might be actually holding off the withdrawals for TERRA 2.0 and also TERRA Luna. Now he actually, or the CEO, decided to make an official announcement saying we have no plans on trying to hold the withdrawals, so you can keep your money inside of KuCoin, you will be completely okay. And that made a lot of people extremely happy, because there were so many rumors that KuCoin could be going against Luna Classic, and it being cleared by the official CEO makes the whole community a little bit more relaxed. Another thing is this: TERRA investors not giving up on Luna Classic, but Luna Classic opportunities keep hammering their efforts. So as I mentioned, what I'm trying to say by this is really interesting. If this plays out well and it's seen properly by everyone else, this could have an extreme life-changing money for a lot of people. But if it just becomes one of those strong hypes that dies down in a short period of time, then you know it's not going to be ending off pretty well. Another thing which is really interesting is #1 spot for the burn address is starting to climb up very quickly. There is a lot of people who are trying to get the #1 spot so they can get the most attention from this. And this is obviously helping the whole of the team, because now you can see that the circulating supply would be significantly dropped as more and more people are sending more Luna Classic to burn them. And I'm actually very happy about that personally. Now, talking about boy KuCoin boss, so this was also confirmed by Crypto Pollution. So they have completely denied the fact that please do not fall into the trap that KuCoin will be suspending the withdrawals. They're not going to be suspending anything, and just be patient and you will be able to get all your money the way you personally want. And this is what I was talking about when I said that Binance might be looking more and more into the whole other thing, because there's a lot of people on Twitter that are actually starting to tag Binance and make sure that CZ sees the proposal that they have and they try to implement it into the Binance network. And if that does happen, this will have a significant positive impact on the whole of the community. And personally, I do want to see that happen, as would that have a significant jump in the price of Luna Classic? Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think about that. But other than that, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, do want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.